Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2015. This is from the topic right circular cylinder. In my previous class, I've explained the surface area of right circular cylinder and the difference between the lateral surface area and total surface area. Here in this problem, we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Let's see the problem. The radius of the cylinder is 5 meters more than its height. It is given. CSA is given as 792 meters square. What is its volume? We have to find it. This question they asked during the year of 2015 in IBPS Bank Special Officers IT examination. 4 options are also given in this problem. See, I am taking the height of the cylinder as h. What is the radius? 5 meters more than its height. So 5 plus h I have taken. What is its CSA? It's given as 792 meters square. Okay. We know CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH square units. So CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH square units. Okay, so what is given in this problem? 792. 2 pi. What is R? 5 plus h into h is equal to 792 meters square. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into 5h plus h square is equal to 792 meters. So, what is h square plus 5h is equal to 792 into 7 over 22 into 1 over 2. Here 11 is going here 2 times. Here 72 times. 2 2s are 4. It's going here 18 times. So h square plus 5h is equal to 18 into 7. So h square plus 5h is equal minus 7 8s are 56, 5 7 1s are 7, 126 is equal to 0. I have to do factorization. Minus 126. So 14 9s are okay. So h square plus 14h minus 9h minus 126 is equal to 0. I'm taking h as common. Again minus 9 within bracket h plus 14 is equal to 0. Now h is equal to minus 14 is inadmissible. So h is equal to 9 meters. Okay. What is its radius? 5 meters more than its height. So it is 14 meters. What we have to find out? Volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h cubic units. So 22 by 7. What is R? 14 into 14 into what is H? 9. 7 is going here 2 times. So 44 into 126. This will give you 5,544 meter cube. So volume is equal to. So which is the correct option? Option C is correct. 5,544. Thank you.